I'll be damned. A bird eating a bird. Wow. That's different. Because a bird is still a bird, baby girl. Well, that's what I am. Look at that. Vultures in the middle of the street. He in the way. He eating his bird. He in the way though. It's crazy. Look, the other bird won't move out the way. Look. That's crazy. Getting busy. These birds ain't playing out. Hey! You know where you at, bro? Bro, do you know where you at? Bro don't know where he at. Bro, shake it off, bro. I would help you, but I'm scared of possums. He was lost on the road. I wanted to go help him, but I'm scared of animals. I tried to coach him through it. Like, listen to me. But I'm not getting nowhere near